Okay guys, so I have tape, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to number them. I'm just going to wrap this around like this and number it. So each log is going to be numbered. I'm actually going to have a system in place which is going to be numbered. I think I'm going to start with like A, B, C, D, E, and number all of these logs. It'll come down actually like A1, A2, A3, and it's just going to come down number ladder or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. So let's go and let's do this. And you're probably wondering how I'm going to label some of the shorter pieces, because on both of those sides you actually have shorter pieces. So I'm just thinking like this is a B wall, and I'm going to do a B left and B right and plus number. So B1 right, B left 1. So this way I know where they're going. And some of these we're not going to use, but I'm still going to tape it and number it so I can identify which one is which and what is needed to be replaced. So then this one is B2. All right. Okay guys, so we have numbered all of our logs. So now we can actually with confidence continue, knowing that every log is going to be numbered from here in out, and we'll know whatever we need to replace, we know the place of it. So I need to bring these logs down and then we can continue working.
Careful, Russ. Take it slow, don't go fast.
Whew.
Seriously? Where are you gonna store this?
I will need to make a place outside and probably a pallet so where I can place a tarp over it, because we can't have them under the weather or under any rain, because they're already, some of them don't have much life in it, so I need to preserve them as much as I can.
Yeah. Can you spray something on it?
Oh yeah, we'll spray something on it.
Make sure it's sunscreen spray. Kidding. You guys didn't see our previous video. He was killing all the wasps with sunscreen and torch. He's torching them up. And some of you said that I'm definitely not wearing sunscreen around Russ. Right, Russ?
More like it, they said, will not wear any sunscreen around any flame.
Exactly, because it is pretty dangerous, and it was actually rated one of the worst sun sprays. So that's why we used it up. We didn't care. We wasted it. We had so many bottles. We just used it for wasp. Anyways. Comment below if you guys are excited to see the results. They're coming along. Or else it's finally taping things around.
I'm doing this the right way.
You should put like a mattress on the outside and just throw everything down so you don't have to go back and forth. That's smart. It's gonna fall, yo. If you throw it, it's gonna follow me. Ooh. Ross! I told you!
Sorry.
Yeah. Imagine if I just stood there.
Well, I'm glad that you have a brain.
And I'm glad I was not one of your casualties. My idea is to put a mattress outside and just throw it on it.
Great idea.
Much easier and faster. You're welcome. It's a lot of leg day today for him. He's gonna go back and forth with these logs. And don't envy him.
I need to get myself a sidekick who can carry all my stuff. This is definitely not a woman job.
Even if it was, even if I did it, right now I'm just struggling with major vertigo. And
Yeah. Some of you probably thinking, why is my wife not helping? Well, she's suffering with extreme vertigo. Basically, she loses balance. So that's why I don't want her or on any of the ladders or going up and down. Any kind of sudden movement, she loses control.
Yep, it triggers it.
It triggers, and I've experienced vertigo one time, a couple times in my life, and I know what it feels like, where you cannot grasp any control in your brain. Everything is just spinning. So we've been dealing with that issue for about 16 years.
Yeah, it comes and goes, and right now it's really bad.
And today she was exercising, and then
It triggered
vertigo. So while she was doing some push-ups, I see she gets up and she just goes. Woo! So that was today. So she can't help me.
Sorry, honey. I would, honestly. So comment below if you ever experienced that, or you suffer, or you know what it is, because it's not fun. If you don't know what that is, search it up. You'll see the symptoms. It's something that just comes out of nowhere, and there's nothing you can do, and there's not really cure or treatment. I know a lot of you probably going to say something about treatments. Trust me, did a lot of research, tried a lot of things. Did not work yet. I'm praying, hoping God heals me, because I'm tired of going through it. It's literally horrible, especially when you're on vacation or anywhere. You just put your head down the wrong way, that's it.
And you're done.
I'm not done.
You're done.
You ain't done. It's just your whole
vacation is ruined.
Yeah, he was full riding, and that's what triggered him.
Anyways, guys, let's go back and start working on the rest of the logs. So this will help, guys, and ensure that this wall does not go. By the way, I did put a number on them, so I do know which one is which. Right here. It's not very visible, but it's there. Almost. What?
You numbered, right?
Yeah.
Dang.
Guys, look at this. This looks like a rail nail. Crazy. Huge. You always want to have a nice big window. Here we go.
You got it, boss.
Guys, this log, look at this. Definitely not gonna be saving.
Check that out. How does it feel?
It feels like I opened up a
Can
wall.
once- If you're gonna go this fast pace, just throwing things down, I mean, you can go really quick.
We could.
No, for real. Seems like going way fast than I expected.
So this will be A, B, C, 5.
You're getting there, boss.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. This is gonna be B, 6. If you can see, they got pins. They got pins right here. That's what's supporting the window. And then they got pins that is supporting or basically connecting the corner logs. So I'm gonna have to redo all that. I'm gonna have to get new pins. But this right here, this is definitely not gonna be used. We're gonna be remaking another log for this space. All right, so C5, C6, B, what's that one? B7.
You tied it up to there, you know.
What?
You screwed it up. Forget that.
Okay. All right, so we have the window frame. Guys, honestly, I'm glad that I didn't remove this floor
Why?
because it would be hard to work.
Exactly, genius. What made you decide to keep it?
What?
What made you decide to keep it?
Because I looked around and I'm like, it's a good thing that I have a floor. I'm gonna walk off with. Okay. Then check out the nail. Whew. Check out that nail. All right, guys, I'm gonna clean up some of the mess that I made. I'm gonna put the logs away so I can make some room for tomorrow.
You don't need that anymore?
Nope. Most of them are good logs, and just some of them are bad. So we're gonna have to figure out which one's bad, replace them, and yeah. But the cool thing about this part, we're actually gonna locally source it. I walked through my woods and I got plenty of trees that I can cut down and use for this cabin. I'm actually gonna do it an old-fashioned way. Do it from the resource around you. Alright guys, it's getting darker. and I breathed way too much dust, so I need to blow everything out and resume tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys.